Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for October 26th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair broke below previous session's support level. It did break its high as well. It did close higher, although overall this pair is moving sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 76.84, possibly as low as 75.36. Look for some resistance around 76.30. And look for some support around 75.69. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair basically closed down by 1 pip, not very much, created a doji bar, is moving sideways, typically could see a reversal off of the doji bar, but not always, so we'll have to see how that plays out. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 140.53, possibly as low as 137.01. Look for some resistance around 139.75 and look for some support around 139.95. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down over this last session, did break the previous session's high, but closed lower. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 161.08, possibly as low as 158.10. Look for some resistance around 160.50. And look for some support around 158.85. Now the US Swiss, this pair has closed higher. Did have a fairly decent range. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.8931, possibly as low as 0.8661. Look for some resistance around 0.8850, and look for some support around 0.8725. Okay, now as far as news announcements go, we have the Bank of Japan releasing their rate decision tomorrow. No consensus given, however, it's estimated, or previous was 0.10%. Don't see them changing that anytime soon. We also have at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time the U.S. releasing their gross domestic product annualized for the third quarter. On the year-to-date, basically, showing an increase from 1.3% up to 2.5%, which would be great news for the U.S. dollar. All right, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, let's go to the Australian U.S. dollar pair. You can see that overall this pair is moving to the upside. This is a carry pair, meaning that you can make rollover interest daily on this pair if you are in a buy trade on it. You can see that we've moved higher and then pulled back. What I'm looking for is a break above this past session's high. You can see we hit an area of previous support and it held. I do believe it's going to swing back around. I do have a longer term trade already on this pair, but what I'm doing here is looking for a quick 30 pip scalp essentially off of this. Let me put a little more permanent numbers here so that we can read it. Basically looking to buy in at 10432 and then looking to exit the trade around the 10472 mark. So roughly 30 pips or so, 30-40 pips between the two, looking for a buy. About a 40 pip move there, using a risk to reward of 1-to-1 on this one, or this session's low when it does finally break it. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.